What if you woke up tomorrow and $1,000 had already been deposited into your bank account while you were sleeping? No alarm clock. No boss. No trading your time for money. That's what passive income looks like. And in 2026, it's more achievable than ever before. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build $1,000 per month in passive income, step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Stay with me because strategy number 4 is the one most people completely overlook. Before we start, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, but everything in this video is based on real, proven strategies that thousands of Americans are using right now in 2026. Let's go. First, let's be honest about something. Most passive income advice on the internet is either misleading or requires hundreds of thousands of dollars up front. So let me give you the real picture. Building $1,000 per month in passive income takes time. It's not overnight. But if you start today and stay consistent, it's absolutely possible within 12 to 24 months. And here's the key: you don't need to build all $1,000 from one source. You need multiple small streams that add up. Let me show you exactly how. Stream number 1: High Yield Savings Account. This is your starting point. Right now in 2026, the Federal Reserve rate is sitting at 3.5 to 3.75%. Banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and Raisin are offering 4 to 5% APY on savings accounts. That means if you park $10,000 in a high-yield savings account at 5%, you earn $500 per year completely passively. That's $41 per month doing absolutely nothing. It's not $1,000 by itself, but it's your foundation. FDIC insured. Zero risk. Start here. Stream number 2: Dividend Stocks and ETFs. This is where your money starts working seriously hard for you. Dividend stocks pay you just for owning them, every single quarter. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Realty Income send you a check. A great beginner move is investing in dividend ETFs like SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. It currently yields around 3.5 to 4% annually, and has a history of increasing its dividend every year, to generate $500 per month, or $6,000 per year. From dividends alone at a 4% yield, you would need around $150,000 invested. That sounds like a lot, but here's the thing. You don't need to get there all at once. Every dollar you invest today is one more dollar working for you forever. Stream number 3: Index Funds. We've talked about this before on CashFlow USA, but index funds like VO that track the S&P 500 return an average of 10% per year. If you invest $2,000 and add $200 every month, in 10 years you could have over $45,000. That portfolio then generates passive returns of $4,500 per year, or $375 per month, on autopilot. The earlier you start, the faster this compounds. Stream number 4, and this is the one most beginners completely miss: digital products. Here's why this is incredible. You create something once, and it sells forever. In 2026, platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are reporting rising demand for digital products like budget templates, financial planners, and investing guides. A simple budget spreadsheet template on Etsy can sell for $5 to $15 per download. If you sell just 100 copies per month, that's $500 to $1,500 in pure passive income. You create it once in Canva in a few hours, and it sells while you sleep, while you eat, while you do literally anything else. This is one of the fastest ways to hit $1,000 per month with zero ongoing effort. Stream number 5: Affiliate Marketing. This one pairs perfectly with a YouTube channel or blog. You recommend financial products, investing apps, credit cards, savings accounts, and you earn a commission every time someone signs up through your link. Robinhood pays between $5 and $20 per referral. Webull pays up to $75 per referral. Acorns pays $5 to $15 per referral. If you send just 50 people per month to Webull, that's potentially $3,750 per month. You don't need to sell anything. You just share a link and let the platform do the work. Stream number 6. Real estate crowdfunding. You don't need to be a landlord to earn rental income in 2026. Platforms like Arrived allow you to invest in rental properties for as little as $100. You earn monthly cash flow from rent payments completely passively. Returns range from 4 to 8% annually depending on the property. It's real estate income, without the tenants, the repairs, or the headaches. So let's put this all together. Here's your $1,000 per month passive income blueprint. Stream 1. High Yield Savings Account, $41 per month. Stream 2. Dividend ETFs, start small, build over time. Stream 3. Index funds, $375 per month after consistent investing. Stream 4. Digital products on Etsy, $500 plus per month. Stream 5. Affiliate marketing, $200 to $500 per month. Stream 6. Real estate crowdfunding, $50 to $200 per month. Add those up and you have your $1,000 per month, and beyond. The key is to start with what you have. Even $50 per month invested today starts building your passive income machine. The people who will have $1,000 per month flowing in by 2027 are the ones who start today, not the ones who wait until they have the perfect plan. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, smash that like button. It helps CashFlow USA reach more people who need to hear this. Subscribe for weekly wealth building tips. And comment below, which of these 6 streams are you starting with? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.